I was born and raised in the South Wales valleys. I grew up exploring the hills and the mountains. I was interested in nature, but specifically insects, and I'd spend every available minute I had just looking at bugs.
Such a big spider.
When I bought my first camera, and I figured out that there's like a macro button on these cameras, and then from there I was just literally addicted to macro photography. It allows me to explore a hidden world that's literally everywhere around us. In an instant, I'm sent away to a completely different planet. My kit for the jungle has been the Olympus E-M1 Mark III, which I love. The stability of that thing is mind-blowing. These insects have the most beautiful colors, and the Olympus system nails color like nothing I've ever seen. I use the Olympus 60mm macro lens. It's perfect for insect photography. It's got an effective focal length of 120mm, so that lens allows me to fill the frame with like the smallest bugs, but from a little bit of a distance away. When you're working at these high magnifications, there's this magical moment where this like face just appears through the viewfinder. Just seeing that is enough for me. A lot of the time I bring a flash gun with me because it allows me to be a little bit more creative, especially with insects that are iridescent. You light them with a flash against that dark background and then they just shine. It's beautiful. The extra stability that the E-M1 Mark III brings along means that I can shoot in lower light without having to increase my ISO, and then shoot between 3 and 15 frames for a focus stack. And then what the camera does is overlay the bits that are sharp, ignores the bits that are soft, and it's all over and done with in like a second.
I think this is the best day of my life.
Some bugs seem to have like a really funny personality. Jumper spiders are like that. When you get the lens really close to them, they kind of stand up and look straight down the lens. So that's something I kind of love to see.
Turn around, dude.
For me, photography in general is an escape of like the day-to-day. If I'm not in nature, it affects me. I'm grateful to be able to literally photograph the thing I love the most, whenever I like. I never thought I could say that. I really hope that this is just the beginning. There's lots of other places I'd love to explore. I mean, there's different bugs everywhere. I want to see them all.